watching WQED Pittsburgh.
Trucks and hauling freight, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play. Round Tisman's shed so far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends.
Thomas and Friends is made possible in part by...
The Hard Rock All-Inclusive Experience is a proud sponsor of Thomas and Friends,
providing families a place to play, share, and learn
through kid clubs found at Hard Rock Hotel, Cancun, Punta Cana, and Riviera Maya.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations. Today on the island of Sodor, it's football fever. And James and Thomas race to see who will win. While Emily and Caitlin race Connor. But first, let's see how the engines are starting their day. Reds versus Blues. James is up.